Hello everyone waving hand sign. Welcome to this detailed video on Class D Amplifier Board. In today's world, almost every portable speaker, Bluetooth audio system and modern sound device uses Class D amplifier technology. But what makes it so popular? In this video, we will understand. Heavy check mark what is a Class D amplifier. Heavy check mark why it is highly efficient. Heavy check mark main components of the board. Heavy check mark working principle step by step. Heavy check mark popular Class D amplifier ICs. Heavy check mark applications. Heavy check mark advantages and disadvantages. So let's begin. Introduction to Class D amplifier. A Class D amplifier is a switching type power amplifier. Unlike traditional Class A, Class B, or Class AB amplifiers, Class D amplifiers do not operate in linear mode. Instead, they convert the audio signal into high-frequency pulses, use PWM pulse width modulation, rapidly switch MOSFETs on and off, deliver high power with very low heat loss. Because the switching devices operate either fully on or fully off, power dissipation is very low. That is why Class D amplifiers are extremely efficient. They are commonly used in portable speakers, Bluetooth audio systems, home theater systems, car audio systems. Why Class D amplifier? Now the important question. Why is Class D preferred over Class A, B, and AB compared to other amplifier classes? Heavy check mark very high efficiency, typically 85% to 95%. Heavy check mark very low heat generation. Heavy check mark smaller heat sink required. Heavy check mark compact PCB size. Heavy check mark lightweight. Heavy check mark battery friendly. In Class A amplifiers, efficiency may be around 25–30%. In Class AB, it may reach around 50–70%. But in Class D, efficiency can reach up to 95%. That is why modern electronic devices prefer Class D technology. Main components of Class D amplifier board. Let us now look at the main sections of a typical Class D amplifier board. 1. Keycap audio input section. This receives the analog audio signal. 2. Keycap PWM modulator IC. This converts the analog audio signal into a PWM signal. 3. Keycap MOSFET switching stage. Power MOSFETs switch at high frequency. 4. Keycap LC low-pass filter. This filter removes high-frequency switching components and restores analog audio. 5. Keycap output terminal. Connected to the speaker. 6. Keycap power supply section. Provides DC voltage to the amplifier board. All these sections together form the complete Class D amplifier board. Working principle. Now let's understand how it works step by step. Step 1. The audio input signal is applied to the amplifier. Step 2. The PWM modulator compares the audio signal with a high-frequency carrier signal. Step 3. This generates a PWM signal where pulse width changes according to audio amplitude. Step 4. The MOSFETs switch on and off rapidly, typically at 200 kHz to 1 MHz. Step 5. The LC low-pass filter removes switching frequency and recovers the amplified analog signal. Step 6. The speaker receives the amplified signal and produces sound. Because the MOSFETs are either fully on or fully off, power loss is very small. That is the key reason for high efficiency. Block diagram explanation. The simplified block diagram is Audio input. Comparator PWM generator. MOSFET driver. Output LC filter. Speaker. The switching operation significantly reduces power loss and improves efficiency. Popular Class D amplifier ICs. Some popular Class D amplifier ICs used in boards include PPA 3116D2, PAM 8403, TDA 7498, IRS 2092. These ICs are widely used in stereo amplifiers and high-power audio applications. They offer compact design and high efficiency. Applications. Class D amplifier boards are widely used in heavy checkmark Bluetooth speakers, heavy checkmark home theater systems, heavy checkmark car audio systems, heavy checkmark portable audio amplifiers, heavy checkmark DIY audio projects. Today, almost all modern consumer audio electronics use Class D technology. Advantages. Let's summarize the advantages. Heavy checkmark high efficiency. Heavy checkmark less heat sink required. Heavy checkmark compact PCB size. Heavy checkmark high power output. Heavy checkmark good battery backup. These features make it ideal for portable and battery-operated systems. Disadvantages. However, there are some disadvantages. Heavy multiplication EMI electromagnetic interference. Heavy multiplication complex design. Heavy multiplication requires proper PCB layout. Heavy multiplication LC filter required. Proper PCB design and shielding are necessary to reduce noise. Conclusion. So in conclusion, Class D amplifier board is heavy checkmark energy efficient, heavy checkmark compact, heavy checkmark ideal for portable systems, heavy checkmark most popular amplifier technology today. It is widely used in modern audio electronics due to its high efficiency and small size. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more electronics tutorials. Thank you for watching. Headphone speaker with 3 sound waves.